Hey there. Are you struggling to grow your Instagram following? Don't worry, you're not alone. It can be tough to stand out in a sea of content, but with a little bit of effort and strategy, you can start building a loyal and engaged audience on the platform. In this video, we're going to go over some of the top tips and tricks for getting more followers on Instagram. From optimizing your profile to crafting compelling content, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Optimize your profile. Your Instagram profile is like a storefront for your brand. It's the first thing people see when they come across your account, so it's important to make a good impression. To optimize your profile, start by using a clear and visually appealing profile picture that represents your brand. This could be a logo, a headshot, or something else that's relevant to what you do. Next, make sure your bio is catchy and informative. This is your chance to tell people what you're all about and why they should follow you. Use keywords and hashtags to help people discover your account, and consider including a call to action, like, tap the link to learn more, or DM us for collaborations. Post consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your Instagram following. Posting regularly helps keep your account active and top of mind for your followers, and it also helps improve your visibility in the algorithm. That being said, it's important not to overdo it. No one wants to see an Instagram feed full of nothing but self-promotion. Aim to post 1 to 3 times a day, and mix things up with a mix of content types, like photos, videos, stories, and reels. Use hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool for getting your content seen by a wider audience. When you use relevant hashtags, your content has the chance to show up in the search results and on the Explore page, which can help expose your account to new potential followers. To find the best hashtags for your content, do some research and see what's popular in your niche. You can also use tools like Hashtagify to find related hashtags, or look at what other accounts in your industry are using. Just be sure to use a mix of broad and specific hashtags, and avoid overloading your captions with too many. Engage with your followers. Your followers are the lifeblood of your Instagram account, so it's important to show them some love. Take the time to like and comment on their posts, and respond to any comments or DMs you receive. This helps build a sense of community and keeps people coming back for more. You can also use Instagram's questions feature to encourage people to ask you questions, or try hosting a Q&A or AMA, Ask Me Anything, in your stories or reels. This is a great way to connect with your followers and give them a behind-the-scenes look at your brand. Partner with other accounts. Partnering with other accounts is a great way to reach a new audience and gain more followers. When you collaborate with accounts that have a similar target audience, you can expose your content to a whole new group of potential followers. There are a few different ways you can partner with other accounts. You can do a shout-out on your account, where you mention and tag the other account in a post or story. You can also do a cross-promotion, where you both promote each other's content to your respective followers. Or, you can collaborate on a project or content series, where you work together to create something unique and share it on both of your accounts. Whatever approach you choose, be sure to choose partners that align with your brand and values, and make sure you both benefit from the collaboration. Partnering with other accounts can be a great way to grow your following and expand your reach on Instagram. Use Instagram's features. Instagram is constantly rolling out new features and updates, so it's important to stay up to date and see how you can use them to your advantage. One feature that can help you get more followers is Instagram Reels. Reels allow you to create 15-second video clips that you can edit and enhance with music, effects, and other creative tools. They're a great way to showcase your brand and personality, and they have the potential to go viral and bring in a ton of new followers. Another feature to consider is Instagram Live. Live videos allow you to interact with your followers in real time, and they also get priority in the algorithm, which means more people are likely to see them. Use Live to host a Q&A, give a tour of your workspace, or just hang out and chat with your followers. Utilize Instagram ads. If you're looking to give your following a boost, Instagram ads can be a great option. Instagram ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests, which can help you get your content in front of the right people. To set up an Instagram ad, you'll need a Facebook ads account. From there, you can create an ad campaign, choose your targeting options, and set your budget. Instagram ads come in a few different formats, including photo ads, video ads, and carousel ads, so you can choose the one that best fits your goals and message. Use Instagram's analytics. Instagram's built-in analytics tool, called Insights, can help you understand your followers and how they're interacting with your content. Insights provides data on things like your reach, impressions, and engagement, as well as which posts are performing the best. By analyzing your insights, you can see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. This can help you get more out of your Instagram efforts and ultimately help you grow your following. That's it for our tips on how to get more followers on Instagram. Remember, growing a following takes time and effort, but with the right strategy and a little bit of patience, you can build a loyal and engaged audience on the platform. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you're feeling more confident about your Instagram growth strategy. If you have any other questions or tips to share, leave a comment below or send us a DM. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with our content. Thanks for watching.